Bye-bye. 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 What's up, YouTube? Before I do my intro, should I use this or should I use my phone? This or my phone? I guess my phone already on. Boy Right Lifestyle back with another video. And my cousin. Boy, if you don't get... I don't know what she on. Why every time I got a guest in here, they on some weirdo stuff, right?
What you mean weirdo? That's what I do.
That's a fake Longhorn?
No, that's just my sound. What's up, y'all?
No. Anyway, man, we just got to the drag strip. My little brother supposed to be coming up shortly. Oh, they're doing dry runs, I guess. So we actually kind of missing some stuff. I want to race, man, but I don't got no helmet, yo. So that's booty juice. So until I can invest in the helmet, I'm probably gonna get one like when we get back, or probably go tomorrow just to get a helmet, throw it in the back. Yeah. Yeah, that way when I do come back to the track, I'm coming to the track, but I'm about to get out, walk around. You already know how it go. Yeah. So this time I didn't bring Lil Man with me. I should have better footage this time. Apologize, everybody. I should have better footage this time. I can actually get up close to the cars. Little man won't be screaming and crying. Even though I miss him like crazy because, you know, he loves this stuff. And I just need him to get like at least another year or two older. You know what I'm saying? So where he can walk and I got to worry about the stroller too much. And, you know, he can, you know, he knows a little more, knows a little better. But anyway, but to get out, do the little walk around, check and see what's going on. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but,
Skate Bravo, go ahead and run the beat.
Bravo, pump it up.
all right, y'all, got the tech car, your boy running today. Went ahead and got the, better go over here and get my number, got my helmet and stuff. So, hey, we want to see how it go, yo, my first race. I told y'all I was racing Nemesis. Told y'all. All right, let's see what's up. Hey, all right, y'all, Nemesis done got a number. Hey, that's the last unit I was in when I got out the Army, too, 126. I just found that funny. But yeah, man, we official. Nemesis about to have her #1 debut at the racetrack. I can't wait to see how it goes. So going against my boy over here, Melly Mel, man. Hey, I told his family, I'm like, yeah, I gotta peel the orange back. That Mustang sound vicious. But yeah, brother head on over here. What's up? How?
The shit fell from the bleachers all the way down to the ground.
How you do that?
I dropped the shit trying to record these motherfuckers.
Why you just didn't stay on the ground?
Huh?
I said, why you just didn't stay on the ground?
I wasn't on the ground when I started recording.
That's what I'm saying. Why you didn't stay on the ground?
No.
Bugging. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Let's go. Let's go. Your boy done won his first race. Let's go. Let's go. He can't touch Nemesis. He can't mess with Nemesis, y'all. He can't mess with Nemesis. Let's go.
We got the twins.
The twins, yes, ma'am. I appreciate you.
Again, this will be a father-son face-off. Father-son face-off left.
Oh, y'all, we raced again. I got another dub. Yeah, this is addicting. This is fun. We ain't driving by everybody after you done got the dub. Yeah. About to race again, I swear. I was nervous, boy, that first one. All right, we the right lane again. All right, y'all, I got called out by a challenger over there. So you about to see how it go. Can't get enough of your boy. I done took 2 L's, but Dude had drag. He got racing tires. I'm like, yo, I'm about to go to the tire shop right when we leave, yo. Watch, I swear, on game. It's hot. It's hot. Nemesis doing me justice though. I'll tell you that much. Oh, you good? You can walk. And it was fun. Got a couple races in, yo, but ended up having to leave a little sooner than wanted to because right when we was out there talking, dude run up and just start busting at somebody's truck like right in front of us.
Yeah, man. Real talk. Shot off like 4 shots, something like that.
And listen, I was like, dang, do I run? Because he was literally right in front of us. So like, if we would have ran right away, we would have ran into him. Because dude shot and he didn't run the way you think he would run. He ran another way. And I'm like, oh! He ran
then towards us. And
man, then turned.
like, so yeah, he looked at us. Too.
Yeah, I was like, man, listen, if he would have raised his hand, I was out. I was gone. If that, yo, I just didn't know which way to go. As soon as he turned and I seen that little hand turn the other way, I was, hey, man, told my little brother to dip. Hey, man, it's time to go. And that's what we doing. We out, yo. It was fun. Got a couple races, man. I would have whooped the homie male behind. Yeah, that was fun. He had to use a different car to get me, but we ain't gonna talk about that because he had to get the tires on there, man. That's messed up. But guess what I'm about to do Monday, y'all? Get them tires. We getting some tires. We getting some Mickey Thompsons on this mug. You know what I'm saying? But that'll do it for this video, man. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Appreciate, shout out to all my new subscribers, man. I appreciate the support. Try to pass the word along to your homies to help me out too, man, because it's only gonna get better from here on out. So, but yeah, it's your boy Right Lifestyle and the cousin
Nikki.
Check it out, man.